Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your problems on Google Photos. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Photos app, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you will enter to the window of Google Photos and you click here in this page. Then this list of app and for you click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. And in the end you can go to Play Store, you can uninstall your app and you can install it again to fix that problem you have. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.